Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today is a day of technical difficulties. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm actually recording on a new camera because the camera I had prior crapped out on me. It is literally the exact same camera, but the settings on this and the settings on that are totally different. I'm sure you'll be able to notice the difference. But between my phone having technical difficulties and me trying to send a payment out to my lawyer before they close, and I couldn't even do that because of technical issues, I just feel like today's just a bad day for technology. Like, what is going on? I almost lost a $120 order. I'm trying to get the ball rolling on some other stuff with the lawyer, and I can't do that until I pay them. I was trying to get this camera ready for live streaming, which, woof, why was that a hard time? I just feel like everything technical I ended up having a hard time with. The way I freaked out today over a skip cart order because the app was glitching like hell on me, and I had to uninstall and reinstall the app in order to get it back, which, by the way, that was insane. That was almost $120 of work that I almost lost. And that's not even in an area I normally go to. I'm not gonna get into details with the legal stuff because legal stuff. But it's crazy, man. And this new camera cost me like $1,000 too. So it's like, where's the money going today? Anyway, obviously, this is going to be a shorter video. We also have a live stream tonight going over whether or not we actually need Doordash, because that's a crazy topic in itself. If you guys aren't a part of that live stream, what are you doing? Get on that live stream. It is crazy. We're talking about some real deep stuff with Bud Soda. Feel free to join us. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and until next time.